Hello everyone. Today we're doing a very simple recipe. We're doing lip balms. So today it's going to be chocolate lip balms. I will be doing this by the double boiler method. I have my water heating up. I will take you all to my workstation and I will show you all the measurements, and I will show you all how I fill my tubes after that. So what we're having now is I'm going to be measuring out the ingredients. I have beeswax. These are the white beeswax. They are the white pellets. We need 10 grams of beeswax. I'm planning on making chocolate lip balm. So that's 10 grams of beeswax. You can do this in the double boiler method, or you can do it in the microwave. I prefer the double boiler method so that I can keep watch on how much it is heating up. Since I'm doing a chocolate lip balm, I'm using raw cocoa butter. We need around 20 grams of cocoa butter. It's 20 grams of cocoa butter. You can put any, I normally use mango butter for the other lip balms, for the other flavors, but since it is a chocolate, I'm using cocoa butter. You can use mango butter, you can use shea butter, you can use kokum butter, any butter of your choice. I will melt all of these, and once it is melted, I'll get you all back. I have melted this whole thing down. This is really hot, so the beeswax and the cocoa butter melted down. Now once this is melted down, we need to act fast because it will start solidifying soon. So to this, I will be adding chocolate bonbon lip flavoring. It's not needed because the cocoa butter is having a very nice chocolate fragrance, but I'll still add a little bit of chocolate flavoring. And I will be adding vitamin E oil, and I will be adding some grapeseed oil. So to the melted mixture, I'm going to be adding 6 grams of grapeseed oil, Just keep mixing it because it starts solidifying. I will be adding just around 2 grams of vitamin E oil. If this solidifies, all you need to do is put it back on the heat and it will melt. And around 7, in fact, if it was not for cocoa butter, I would have put 7 grams. Now I'll try with 5 grams of lip flavoring. Just give it a good mix. Now what I am going to do is I am going to fill these tubes which I've put on this stand, and I have got few of these jars. These are 1 ounce jars. So few of the tubes and few of the jars is what I'm going to do, and I'm planning on some without any cocoa powder. I have this cocoa powder, so I'm planning on doing some with the cocoa powder and some without. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. I just use a pipette to fill up. This is solidifying. Let me just put it back on the heat and melt it and come back. I have remelted it and I've kept it in the hot water itself. I have done two tubes without any cocoa butter and 1 jar without any cocoa butter. I'm going to be adding the cocoa butter now. Not much, just a pinch, just for a little color. Let me just grab another pipette. I just fill it to the tippy top because it's going to form a well in the center. So I don't want it to go completely. Sorry guys, in between my camera stopped. Okay, so now I have 4 of these tubes. I have 2 jars, in fact 3, which I had to plop in, but I will just do it with a heat gun and I'll have it melted down into an even surface. I'll let this harden. As for the cleaning part, it's very simple. All I do is I take a paper towel and I clean out. And then I just wash it with soap and hot water, and it's squeaky clean. So that's about for how I make my lip balms. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. If you like to see videos like these, please do subscribe. If you think it's useful, please do share. If there are any comments you would like to give, you can always give me comments. And if there are any videos which you would recommend that I make, you can always put those also in the comment section. And that should be about it for now. So see you all in the next one. Bye.